Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a VEVOR powered screwdriver set, and this is pretty unique. It comes with a booklet, so you can go over all that. Comes with a charging cord as well, USB-C. Doesn't come with a power bank, but you can plug that into like your laptop, your desktop, an old cell phone charger. You can use that. I work on a lot of electronic gizmos and gadgets all the time, and sometimes like a manual screwdriver is great, but it's more of a modern flair to use a power screwdriver. On top of, it's quicker and easier. So, a very unique case. You basically just push down on the top, and then that will slide out for you, nice and easy, nice and smooth, and everything is magnetically held into place. So that is great. There's a variety of bits. Let me try to bring them closer. I know the camera is not going to do these justice, but there are so many different variety of sizes that come with this kit, and it's on both sides, and it's magnetic. I think I've said that already, but anyway, so it's the little things that get me excited. So this is the screwdriver, and it has a little docking port there, so you can kind of use it. So press one button, it turns the light on for you. Super handy. I can't begin to tell you how many times I've wished a screwdriver had a light on it. This one does. That is going to get you your clockwise, and then that's going to get your counterclockwise. Basically tighten, go down, reverse, go up. So if that makes any sense. So again, it's great because they're all like magnetic bits. And let me find which one I'm going to use. On this one, I think I'm going to use this bit. So this is the battery compartment. So you just put that in there, and then you basically, it would be nice if I had the right tip, so that one's a little bit too big. And again, you have such a variety of choice that you can discover which one that you need. And I think I need a little bit of a different one. I think let's go down to this bit right down here. I think that's going to be, yeah, that's going to be the perfect fit. And that's great. So you got a variety, and you can pick up what you need. So, and then just that simple. That battery compartment is open, so I can get in there. Try to get in there. There we go. So that is your battery compartment. And once you're done changing your batteries, very simply, just put that back into place, and then just kind of line that screw up, and then basically push down, and then that'll torque it down for you. And then this is great because this is kind of like almost like a deep well type screw, and then I have a problem where I'm all the way down here, and sometimes you can't get that with a normal screwdriver. I think I got that out all the way. Let's go down a little bit more. Now I think I got it. Oh, and it's magnetic too, so that's pretty awesome. So it pulls out that screw. I can put that screw on, go down into that deep well, and then it's got enough torque to go. And if it's a really tight screw, you can find where it makes the connection on top of the screw head. There we go. And then you can give it a quick twist like a regular standard screwdriver, loosen that up, and then that will come right out for you, nice and easy. So I love this. And then again, turn that light on. Now I have light so I can see a lot easier. Kind of get that set, and you can put a light touch on it, and then boom. So kind of give you a quick visual here on the outside as well. So that one is a little tight for the button, so I'll just give it a quick twist, and then that screw comes out. Same thing with this. Put it on there, just give it a quick twist manually, and then that screw comes off, and that piece comes right off. And then when I'm done, I can set that back in. Get that one started. Pick up this screw. Yeah, nice and slow. Okay, that's in. That's torqued. And then that's a great thing. You can torque it to spec once you have it powered in. And just give it a quick, nice little And I mean, and that's it. And then you take this tip off, you put it in there, it's magnetic, put that into your little port there, push that down, and you are good to go until your next project. But again, absolutely super versatile, super useful, and once you start using this, these manual screwdrivers, you'll never pick them up again. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.